In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Netflix error code M7701-1013 in Brave browser. If Netflix is not playing properly in Brave and you are seeing this error, it usually means the browser is blocking or missing the content protection feature Netflix needs in order to stream. The good news is that this is usually very easy to fix. And I will walk you through the process clearly so you can get back to watching without a lot of trial and error. First, we need to make sure Widevine DRM is enabled in Brave. This is the digital rights management feature that allows protected streaming content, like Netflix, to play in the browser. Open Brave. Then click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings. Once you are in Settings, scroll down and click on Extensions. In some versions of Brave, this may appear under Extensions or Additional Settings. So just look for the section that mentions Extensions. Find the option for Google Widevine Digital Rights Management, then turn that setting on. Or check the box if your version uses a checkbox. If Brave prompts you to relaunch the browser, click Relaunch Now, so the change takes effect properly. Next, we will update the Widevine component itself. Even if Widevine is enabled, an outdated component can still cause Netflix playback errors. Click into the address bar, type Brave, /components, and press Enter. This will open a page showing browser components installed in Brave. Scroll until you find Widevine Content Decryption module. If here is an update available, you will see a button underneath it. Click Check for Update to make sure you have the latest working version installed. Once that's done, restart the browser. A full restart helps Brave load the updated component correctly. Finally, we'll adjust Brave Shields for Netflix. Brave's privacy protections are useful, but sometimes they can interfere with streaming services. Open Netflix, then click the Brave Shields icon, which looks like a lion face on the right side of the address bar. From there, toggle Shields down or off for Netflix. If Netflix still doesn't work, open the advanced view and temporarily relax fingerprinting and cookie blocking protections. This can help if Widevine is being blocked indirectly by stricter privacy settings. After making these changes, reload Netflix and try playing your video again. In most cases, this should resolve error code M7701-1013 in Brave. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.